Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, my client has requested a natural braided hairstyle, cornrow look for her daughter. And she's completely natural, as you can see. And this look is so cute, y'all. It's really simple. It looks so great on her. It came out so well. So without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and jump right into this look. I'm going ahead and parting it down the middle so we can get that middle braid in. And yeah, y'all see this style is going to come out so cute. I loved it. She loved it. All right, so stay tuned to the end to see the finished look. right, so we're at the end of this look, and I just have to complete the other side, but as you can see, the style came out very beautifully. I'm just going to go back in and add some hair jewelry to accentuate her hairstyle, but I love it. It's kid friendly, and I feel like an adult, really this style is appropriate for any age. Her mother wanted something that was low maintenance, so yeah, this is the finished result of the look. I love it so much. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that bell, turn on your notifications so you can know when I upload some new content. And as always, be blessed.